This is the Capacitor Energy Interactive Calculator, which solves for various electrical parameters in capacitor circuits. The calculator has a calculation mode drop-down menu with 6 options. Calculate energy from C and V, calculate energy from Q and V, calculate voltage from E and C, calculate capacitance from E and V, calculate charge from E and V, and calculate energy density. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate energy from C and V. There are 5 input fields. Capacitance C accepts values with units in microfarads, nanofarads, picofarads, farads, or millifarads. And for this technical demonstration, I'm using microfarads. Voltage V can be entered in volts, kilovolts, or millivolts. I'm using volts. Energy E uses joules, millijoules, microjoules, or kilojoules. Charge Q works with coulombs, millicoulombs, or microcoulombs. Volume uses cubic meters, cubic centimeters, or liters. After entering your capacitance and voltage values and clicking Calculate, the Results section displays the calculated energy stored in the capacitor. This output represents the total electrical energy that can be stored in your capacitor at the specified voltage, which is critical for power supply design, energy storage applications, and circuit analysis. This calculator streamlines capacitor calculations for any engineering project. Find the link in the description below